The first rays of dawn paint the sky with hues of orange and pink. The air is cool and crisp, alive with the promise of a new day. This is the Maasai Mara, a vast expanse of grasslands and woodlands in Kenya. The Mara is a land of dramatic contrasts, from the rolling plains to the acacia-dotted savanna. As the sun climbs higher, the Mara awakens. Wildebeest and zebra graze on the lush grass, their hooves drumming a rhythmic beat. Elephants with their young amble towards waterholes, their trunks swaying. The air is filled with the calls of birds, a symphony of chirps and trills. This is a place of breathtaking beauty and unmatched biodiversity. It is a vital part of the Serengeti Mara ecosystem, one of the largest wildlife sanctuaries on Earth. With its sleek spotted coat and piercing gaze, the cheetah is a sight to behold. It is the fastest land animal on the planet, capable of reaching speeds of up to 70 miles per hour in short bursts. The cheetah is a masterpiece of evolution, its body perfectly adapted for speed and agility. Unlike lions and leopards, which rely on strength and power, the cheetah is a specialist in speed. It hunts by outrunning its prey, relying on its incredible acceleration and maneuverability to close the distance. This makes the cheetah a fascinating creature to study, a testament to the power of natural selection. Cheetahs are solitary creatures for most of the year. Females raise their cubs alone, teaching them the art of survival on the vast savanna. These graceful cats are not only symbols of speed and agility, but also of resilience and adaptability. The cheetah's remarkable speed is a result of a suite of physical adaptations, honed over millennia of evolution. Its slender, lightweight body is designed to minimize air resistance. Its long, powerful legs, coupled with a flexible spine, allow for incredible strides. Unlike other cats, the cheetah has semi-retractable claws, similar to a dog's. These claws act like cleats, providing the cheetah with exceptional traction and grip. Its long tail serves as a counterbalance, allowing it to make sharp turns at high speeds. Even the cheetah's respiratory system is adapted for speed. Its large nostrils and lungs allow it to take in vast amounts of oxygen, fueling its powerful muscles. This intricate combination of features makes the cheetah a marvel of engineering, a testament to nature's ingenuity. Section 4. A day in the life of a cheetah, the chase and the calm. A cheetah's day is a balance between bursts of intense energy and periods of rest. As the sun rises, the cheetah will scan its territory from atop a termite mound, its keen eyesight searching for potential prey. Gazelles, impalas and other antelopes are all on the menu. Once a target is spotted, the chase is on. The cheetah explodes from its hiding place, its powerful legs propelling it across the savanna. The air crackles with tension as the predator closes in on its prey. If successful, the cheetah will enjoy its hard-earned meal before retreating to the shade to rest and digest. For a mother cheetah, life is even more demanding. She must hunt not only for herself, but also for her growing cubs. She teaches them essential survival skills, from stalking prey to defending themselves against larger predators. Section 5. Challenges on the savanna, the cheetah's fight for survival. Despite its speed and agility, the cheetah faces numerous threats in the wild. Lions, leopards and hyenas are all competitors for food and territory. These larger predators often steal the cheetah's kills, leaving it vulnerable and exhausted. Habitat loss is another significant threat. As human populations grow, so too does the demand for land. This encroachment into cheetah territory leads to fragmentation and isolation, making it harder for them to find food and mates. Climate change also poses a significant risk. Droughts are becoming more frequent and severe, impacting prey populations and making it harder for cheetahs to survive. The challenges are many, but there is hope on the horizon. Section 6. Guardians of the cheetah conservation efforts in action. Recognizing the plight of the cheetah, conservation organizations and local communities are working tirelessly to protect this iconic species. Anti-poaching units patrol protected areas, deterring illegal hunting and protecting cheetahs from snares. Community outreach programs educate local people about the importance of cheetah conservation. These programs often involve providing alternative livelihoods such as ecotourism to reduce dependence on activities that harm wildlife. Research plays a crucial role in conservation. Scientists are studying cheetah behavior, genetics and ecology to better understand the threats they face and to develop effective conservation strategies. These efforts are making a difference, offering a glimmer of hope for the future of the cheetah. Section 7. Witnessing Wonders, Tips for your Maasai Mara Safari. A safari to the Maasai Mara is an unforgettable experience, offering the chance to witness the splendor of the African savanna and its incredible wildlife. Visit during the dry season from June to October for better visibility and wildlife spotting. Hire an experienced guide knowledgeable about cheetah behavior. Be patient and observant, as cheetahs are masters of camouflage. Keep a respectful distance and follow your guide's instructions. Act responsibly to enjoy a safe safari and contribute to conservation.